Hey everybody! With thousands of customers, many of whom serve a global audience, we noticed a common challenge they have: how to quickly translate demos and make them accessible in multiple languages. Until now, this process was manual and very time consuming. Therefore, I'm happy to announce our new feature: Translate and Duplicate. Now, you can duplicate your demo and translate its content into any language in 3 clicks. Let me show you how it works. First, select the demo you want to translate and click on Translate and Duplicate. Choose your desired language, in this case German, and that's it. Your demo is now accessible in the German language without the hassle of manual translation. That's it. Try it out. The link is in the comments.